Hi! Hello, my beloved students. How are you today? Okay, welcome back to our class. Today we have English lesson again. Okay, student, let's take your English and workbook and textbook. And then open your textbook, page 36, halaman 36. Page 36, lesson 7 video. Number 1, watch who talks about each home and then write. So, you have to watch the video first to fill in the blanks. Happy watching to all my students!
I'm Safia.
I'm Juan.
I'm AJ. I'm Indipila.
Hi, AJ.
Hello.
Where do you live?
I live in Wichita, Kansas. It's in the US.
Do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a house.
What's your house like?
My house is big. It's got a living room, a kitchen, a dining room, and 4 bedrooms. I've even got my own treehouse with a little balcony.
What do you like about the house?
My bedroom. I've got a big bed, an armchair, and a bookcase full of books. I can read in my bedroom. It's my favorite place.
Hi, Safia.
Hello.
Where does your family live?
My family live in Tanja, Morocco.
Do they live in a house or a flat?
They live in a house.
What's their house like?
It's new and it's big. It's next to the sea. You can see the water from their living room.
Have they got a garden?
No, they haven't got a garden, but they've got a big balcony. There's a table and some chairs on their balcony.
What do you like about the house?
I like the living room. It's great. There's a big sofa, 2 armchairs, a mirror, and a beautiful rug. I can sit in the armchair and watch the sun go down by the water. It's so nice.
Hi, Juan.
Hello.
Where does your family live?
My family lives in Mexico City. It's a really big city.
Do they live in a house or a flat?
They live in a flat.
What's their flat like?
It's great. It's not very big, but I like it. It's old. It's got a kitchen, a dining room, and a big living room. There are 3 bedrooms. One for my grandparents, one for my mom and dad, and one for me.
Hi, Indipile.
Hello.
Where does your family live?
They live in Cape Town, South Africa.
Do they live in a house or a flat?
They live in a house.
What's the house like?
The house is small, but it's beautiful. It's blue with red doors and windows. It's got a small balcony. I sit on the balcony with my grandparents.
Have they got a garden?
Yes, they've got a small garden behind the house.
Can you play in the garden?
No, it's my grandma's garden for food. I can play outside in the streets or in the park.
What do you like about the house?
I like the bedroom. It's small, but it's nice. I've got lots of toys and books in this room.
You have watched the video, okay? So, based on the video that you have watched, please fill in the blanks. Whose home are these? Okay? AG. The first AG. AG has family. The family live in Wichita. AG live in house. Kalau dikatakan live in house berarti rumahnya rumah biasa ya, tidak bertingkat. Big living room, has a kitchen, dining room, and has 4 bedrooms. Okay. The second, number 2 is Savia. Savia, the family live in Morocco. Savia live in house. House ya, tidak bertingkat. Big, besar, next to the sea. So Savia can see the water. Savia bisa melihat air ya, karena rumahnya dekat dengan danau, dekat dengan laut, dan haven't got a garden. Dan tidak ada kebunnya. Itu rumah Savia. The third, yang ketiga adalah Juan. Juan family live in Mexico. Juan live in flat. Jadi kalau dibilang flat, itu artinya rumahnya bertingkat ya. Rumahnya tinggi, bertingkat. Ya. Juan flat, not too big. Ya. It's old. Rumahnya sudah agak tua. Ya, but it's nice. Tapi rumahnya kelihatan bagus ya. And has big living room. Dan ada juga living room-nya. Itu untuk Juan. And the last is Indipile. Indipile has a family that live in Cape Town. They live in house. House juga ya, berarti tidak bertingkat. Yang bertingkat tadi hanya si Juan. Nah, Indipile, house-nya small but beautiful. And the color is blue. Nah, kamu sudah tahu jawabannya kan? And then have a garden behind the house. Nah, berdasarkan video yang kamu tonton, based on the video that you have watched, ya, please write down here your answer. Whose home is this? This one, and this one. Okay. Next. Number 2. Now it's your turn. Inilah giliran kamu. Ask and answer. Kamu bertanya dan menjawab. Kamu praktikkan ini bersama papa atau mama ya. Sebenarnya ini with your friend. Tapi karena kamu study at home, so your turn with your moms or dads. Nah, Miss akan bacakan ya. Have you got a balcony at your house? Nah, apa itu balcony? Balcony itu seperti teras kecil ya, yang ada di dekat tangga rumahnya. Ya, ada di atas. Have you got a balcony at your house? Lalu dijawab, yes, we've got a big balcony. On the balcony, there's a small table between 2 chairs. Ya, kami punya teras yang besar ya, balcony yang besar. Nah, di sana ada meja kecil di antara 2 kursi. Number 3. Think about Savia's home. Is it the same as your home? Right. Nah, di sini kita tadi sudah mempelajari tentang Savia's home. Ya, tadi home-nya big, next to the sea, can see the water, haven't got a garden. Right? So, let's write about your home here. Savia's family has got big house. Nah, keluarganya Savia mempunyai rumah yang besar. Nah, sekarang giliran kamu. Kami punya rumah yang, kalau kamu punya rumah yang besar, tulis di sini big. Tapi kalau kecil, tulis small ya di sini. Kemudian, their house is orange and blue. Tadi rumah Safia warnanya orange dan biru. Our house is, rumah kamu warnanya apa? Silakan tulis di sini. Kemudian, they've got a balcony. Tadi Safia punya balcony ya. They haven't got a garden. Mereka tidak punya taman ya. Itu tadi yang kita dengar ya, tidak punya kebun. We've got a, kamu punya apa di rumah? Kalau punya taman, tulis di sini garden. Kalau ada balcony-nya di rumah, kamu tulis balcony ya. Based on your home. Ya. We haven't got a, kami tidak punya, misalkan tidak punya garasi, tidak punya balcony, ya kamu boleh tulis di sini ya. Pokoknya ini dijawab menurut rumahnya, based on your house. Oke, students, read here value. Value itu adalah nilai, ya. Jadi dari cerita rumah AG, Indipile, Kwan, and Safia ada nilai yang dapat kita ambil, yaitu accept differences, menerima perbedaan. Jadi mau seperti apapun rumahnya, kita harus tetap mau mengunjunginya. Jangan karena rumahnya sudah jelek, sudah tua, sudah mau rubuh, kita ejek. Itu not good, tidak boleh, ya. Nah, value, nilai yang dikandung dalam cerita ini akan kita lihat di workbook-nya. Let's open your workbook, page 29, halaman 29 ya, workbooknya halaman 29. Nah, ini tadi ya, value-nya adalah accept differences. Number 1. Who is accepting differences? Look and tick. Nah, di gambar ini ada dua gambar, ada dua pernyataan. Yang mana yang menerima perbedaan, kamu tinggal kasih tanda tick. Nah, ini dia. Number 1. You've got a balcony. That's great. Number 2. My house isn't the same as yours. You haven't got a garden. That isn't good. Yang mana yang menunjukkan sikap menerima perbedaan? Yes. You've got a balcony. That's great. Ya, dia memuji rumah temannya. Sedangkan yang kedua, my house isn't the same as yours. Rumah kita nggak sama. You haven't got a garden. Rumahmu tidak ada kebunnya. Itu tidak bagus katanya. Itu mengejek ya. Tadi Miss bilang mengejek itu not good. Nah, gambar yang kedua, di sini ada lunch. Nah, lalu dikatakan, yang ini, what's in your lunch box? It isn't the same as my lunch. It doesn't look good. Apa bekal makan siangmu? Nggak sama dengan punyaku. Ya, bekalmu itu nggak enak katanya. Ini menerima perbedaan nggak? No. Ini bisa ditiru nggak? No. Not good. Sedangkan yang kedua, I like your lunch. You've got rice and chicken. That looks good. Aku suka deh sama makan siangmu. Ada nasinya, ada ayamnya. Kelihatannya enak ya katanya. Nah, coba anak-anak, yang mana sikap menerima perbedaan? Tentunya yang kedua ya, ini sudah kita tik. Dan untuk number 2, think of something that you've got that isn't the same as your friends. Truth show the differences. Nah, ini adalah, coba bayangkan sesuatu yang kamu punya yang bentuknya tidak sama dengan punya temanmu. Gambarkan di kotak ini ya. No need to do. Ini tidak perlu kamu lakukan. Karena apa? Because all of you are study at home, so kamu tidak tahu sekarang benda-benda yang dimiliki temanmu denganmu apakah sama atau tidak. Ya, you cannot think of something that you've got that isn't the same as your friends. So, you no need to draw in this box. Jadi untuk nomor 2 ini tidak usah dikerjakan. Nomor 1 sudah Miss kerjakan sama-sama ya. Nah, for your homework, textbook page 36. Ya, lihat lagi bukunya halaman 36 tadi. PR-nya adalah menjawab number 1 and number 3. Number 1, whose home are this? And number 3, itu adalah think about Savia's home. Is it the same as your home? Right. Jadi tadi kamu menjawab berdasarkan keadaan rumah kamu sendiri ya. Gampang sekali ya PR-nya nomor 1 dan nomor 3 di textbook. Di workbook nomor 1 sudah kita jawab bersama dan nomor 2 tidak perlu lagi dijawab. Oke, students? Oke, very good. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching this video and see you to the next video. Bye-bye.